Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see ano yung energies na inyong love life ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay. Let's see, Aquarius. Ano yung energy ng inyong love life? September. Okay. Uy, the Union of Hearts. A love connection defies explanation. O, yung iba sa inyo papasok kayo sa isang relationship if you're single. Or magle-level up yung inyong relationship ng partner mo. Pwedeng kayo ay may engage o kaya ikakasal or magkakaroon na kayo ng anak. This is something serious, no? Serious connection, serious relationship. Some of you, this can be a relationship na, gay, no? Gay relationship. Okay. Avoid rushing to fill voids with love. Seek inner fulfillment first. Okay. So, when it comes to relationship daw, kailangan din na yung papasok ka sa relationship is because mahal mo talaga yung tao, hindi dahil sa meron tong pinupunuan sa sarili mo. Kailangan fulfilled ka muna. Find joy in the simple pleasures of just being together. O, ibig sabihin yan, mas may enjoy ninyo ang time ninyo together with your partner, going out, even yung mga simple things na you do together, like watching movies, having coffee, mga ganun. You will enjoy the pleasures of being together. And then, you have the moon. So, this is a very deep feelings towards someone. Let's see. Kung ikaw ay in a relationship. You have the 7 of Cups. Okay. And then the 6 of Cups. Okay. So, some of you, possible, no, na meron ditong bumabalik, no? Merong inaayos na relationship. Binibigyan ng second chance, na another opportunity. Although, yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo to plinano, nangyari na lang. But you feel like this is the clarity that you need na bigyan ng chance yung relationship ninyo. Pwede kasing you've tried, no? Kumbaga nagkaroon kayo ng mga relationships pa in between, but iba pa rin yung pagbabalik ng person na to sa buhay mo. Maaaring may mga realizations kayo na kayo talaga ay para sa isa't isa. Yeah, medyo to ha, maaring some of you, this can be a karmic relationship na kaya hindi pa kayo, kaya pa nabibigyan niya ng chance yung isa't isa is because there are still lessons na kailangan niyo matutunan. So, kung kayo ay single, tingnan natin. Ace of Swords, o merong, communication. Maaaring meron kang ka-chat, may nakakausap ka, may gusto kang makilala. 9 of Wands. Parang may pagka-skeptical yung iba sa inyo dito sa new person, new connection. Kasi you feel like parang you've been through a lot sa relationship, tapos biglang meron. Tapos parang hindi ka na ganun ka naniniwala. Also, you feel tired. Na eto na naman, ready ba ako? Yung mga ganun. Lalo na ako nanggaling ka sa isang painful breakup, toxic relationship in the past. Some of you kasi may trauma, no, sa pakikipagrelasyon. And hindi porket single, ibig sabihin gusto mo na magkaroon ng relationship. Some people gusto nila kaya sila single kasi mas feeling nila mas safe sila kapag single sila. The Nine of Pentacles, that's why you are focused on your stability, your independence. Yun yung mas importante para sa inyo. So, even if merong opportunity for connections, possible romantic connections, hindi pa rin kayo ganun kasigurado of this potential, no? Lalo na kung meron kang ibang goal na gusto mong ma-achieve, which is related sa trabaho, career mo, or yung mga iba mo pang gustong ma-accomplish sa buhay. Ayun. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.